To cook brown beef, you're likely referring to the process of cooking beef to the point where it is browned on the outside. This is typically done as part of many recipes, like making a beef stew chili, or as the first step in a ground beef dish. Here's how to properly brown beef. Ingredients: beef, ground beef, stew beef, or any other cut of beef. Oil, vegetable oil, olive oil, or any oil with a high smoke point. Salt and pepper optional. For seasoning instructions: 1. Prepare the beef. If you're using ground beef, break it up into smaller chunks. For stew meat, cut it into uniform pieces. Pat the beef dry with paper towels. Drying it helps the meat sear better, which creates a nice brown crust. 2. Heat the pan. Use a heavy skillet or frying pan, ideally cast iron or stainless steel, for even browning. Heat the pan over medium-high heat until it's hot. The pan should be hot enough that the beef sizzles as soon as it touches the surface. 3. Add oil. Add a small amount of oil, about 1 to 2 tablespoons, to the pan, just enough to coat the bottom. Allow the oil to heat for 1 to 2 minutes. 4. Add the beef. Add the beef to the pan in a single layer, making sure not to overcrowd it. If the pan is too crowded, the beef will steam instead of browning. Let the beef cook undisturbed for about 3 to 4 minutes. Don't move it around too much. Let it get a nice brown sear on one side. 5. Flip or stir. Once the first side is browned, flip the beef pieces over or stir the ground beef to allow the other sides to brown. This should take another 3 to 4 minutes, depending on the size of the pieces. 6. Season the beef. Season the beef with salt and pepper once it's browned, or add any other spices or seasonings you'd like to use for the dish you're preparing. 7. Cook through if necessary. For ground beef, continue cooking until it is no longer pink in the center. If you're cooking stew meat, you can cook it until it's brown and partially cooked, and then follow the recipe's instructions to continue cooking in liquid like broth or sauce to tenderize it. Tips: high heat. Ensure the pan is hot enough to sear the beef properly. Medium-high heat is typically best. Don't overcrowd. Overcrowding the pan lowers the temperature, causing the meat to release juices and steam rather than searing. Let the beef rest. If you're using large cuts of beef like steaks or roasts, let them rest after browning before adding them to a stew or sauce. Browned beef can be the base for various recipes, adding rich flavor to stews, sauces, and casseroles. Let me know if you're working on a specific recipe, and I can help with additional tips.